Hi, I'm going to be talking about nature, nurture, and twin studies. Nature versus nurture is a constant debate between the influences of nature and nurture and how we predict individual similarities and differences between people. The similarities and differences of humans break down into four parts: genes, biological heritage, brain, and behaviors. Behavior genetics studies the relativity and limit of genetic and environmental influences on human behavior. Heredity, or nature, is our genetic makeup that is passed on to us from our parents. Environment, or nurture, is all other influences that aren't genetic that influence our behaviors. Twin studies are commonly used studies to help psychologists understand the influence of nature and nurture. Siblings and fraternal twins share 50% more genes than a regular human to another, but identical twins share 100% of the same genes. Psychologists test both identical and fraternal twins to generally break down the behavioral influence of heredity on twins, because both identical and fraternal twins commonly are raised in the same environment. Twins may or may not be likely to have the same characteristics. One twin may play a sport, while the other may enjoy reading. These characteristics are most likely to be influenced by their personal environments. A person's temperament refers to their characteristics of emotional reactivity and intensity, which is apparent soon after birth and remains steady throughout their lifetime. Though temperament doesn't necessarily waver, the person may or may not choose to control their temperament over their life. One similarity that has been proven between identical twins is their temperaments. Twin studies have helped psychologists figure out a lot about nature and nurture. Though psychologists still have a lot of leeway between the two, twin studies help define the influence of 100% of genes between two people. Another study that psychologists do is on separated twins, which are twins that are separated from at birth or shortly after. Separated twins often share the same personality or intelligence, abilities, attitudes, interests, fears, brainwaves, and heart rates. Though these similarities can also be found between two strangers, it is very common for separated twins to have these characteristics, much more likely than two strangers.